Girl, take them dreads out. I feel like I live in a club. The only part is that I'm in a club with no friends.
Now everybody sing that shit.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl TayPancakes, aka Taylor Stevens, aka Tay. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. It's your girl TayPancakes in the building. If you've been here before, thank you guys also for all the comments on my last video when I was telling y'all about the hive situation I had going on, and y'all was like giving me your experiences or all that other stuff. Really helpful. Thank you very much. Y'all probably like,
girl, why you doing another LED light video?
well, if you real, you know why I'm doing another one, because in my last video I was only able to do this little section in my room. So like literally nothing else is done. Like not a thing. So I got some more LED lights. Or is it enough lights? I don't know. Maybe it'll cover the whole room. This is a different brand, so we gonna see. So I got some LED lights. This ain't a sponsored video. People been hitting me up for sponsored LED light videos, but I missed those emails. So here we are. I already ordered some, so yeah. I am gonna put my affiliate link in the bottom though, so you know if you do purchase from my link, I get some credit. And I ordered a shell case for my laptop. I'm put on my computer and show y'all later. But these are the ones I got this time. What's annoying about these lights that I have on my wall right now is I lost the remote, so they stuck on this weak behind color. It's on like what is this? It's not even bright. Like I'm mad. And they have connectors. Remember y'all was in the comments like, girl, you can connect the lights. I don't know why you're dumbass. I hear y'all. So I got connectors. We gonna connect stuff. We gonna connect stuff. My focus today is like behind the TV and stuff, because I don't really need nothing behind my bed. Like that side of my wall, don't need it. So I think I might put it on the floor of my room. Jeez, vibes. Not a vibe. We got some, don't make no comments about my dreads neither. I know they did, they need to come on my hair. Mind your business. Before, I'm gonna just go ahead and skip over that comment because I know it's gonna be somebody to say it. Girl, take them dreads out. I hear you. Before you even say it, I hear you. Oh, this is not gonna be enough. This can't be it. Oh, this look a little more complicated than the last one. Like, this a lot of, that's a lot. Yes, it's the same remote. Yes. Oh my gosh, yes, I changed the color, see? I'm so happy. It feels a little more flimsy than the last remote, but that's beside the point. So, obviously, they're universal remotes. Yes, this is the vibe I'm going for right now. Energy. All right, so this is them.
So this is the embarrassing part where I think that I have cracked, like, the connector situation. I'm like, oh my gosh, like it's connectors in here, and it's not connectors, but I'm gonna just play it anyway because I'm entertained by myself looking like an idiot. So I'm gonna just roll the clip.
Now that I have connectors, what I'm gonna do instead of plugging another thing is just connect it to that. Wait, can I do that? No. Okay. Did I? You know why? I threw the directions. That was my fault.
Hello, Ed boys. Many doors yet? Too much for couch potato Ed boys like yourself.
I am lost. All right, ho, we finna do this voiceover because yeah. Anyway, so here are the LED lights. Here's the pieces and the connectors and all that good stuff. You put the lights there and then connect it to there. Y'all get the gist. So I'm just kind of fast forwarding what I'm doing. I decided to plug it behind my TV because the bed, you can't even see that hole. You're not gonna be able to see that hole. So we just gonna go ahead and plug it behind the TV and then use, you know, my painting and stuff to cover up the cords and stuff. Yeah, so that's me doing it. Oh, I didn't get electrocuted. It's just the lights turning on. Yes, it's a whole Christmas show. Like, it was like Christmas in that whole room. Okay, so this is me, you know, putting the lights down. So I would suggest actually before putting the lights down that you get like an alcohol wipe or something to wipe down your walls or dust them off or whatever, because it can mess up the adhesive. But guess who didn't do that? Me. You know why? Because we don't have time for that. Because I'm lazy, you know, but don't be like me. Do better. Learn from my mistakes. But, you know, whatever. So this is me putting along the strip of the wall, and yeah. All right, so here's a close-up. You know, fast forward. It's looking real cute. It's looking real cute, real fun, real fat. Oh, it's ugly. All right, so here we are. We're getting to stringing it along. It's looking really fun, giving me real vibes. We need to change the color because this is giving me Christmas time vibes, and that's not what we going for. Even though y'all know Christmas is my favorite. I say Christmas. I'm sorry, that wasn't necessary. Or yeah, recording me doing that first row of LED strip lights just didn't work out. I don't know. When I get to the other side, it's gonna work. But as you can see, that back there is about for the next round. It's not like what's going on right here. Yeah, we light, we bright. We can change up the color on there if we want to. Damn. Oh. It's really a party now. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party. Off the subject of the lights, even though that's the point of the video, but I'm gonna show y'all the case I got. This seems real ad-like, but I swear it's not. On everything it's not. So this was my old case. This had to go to my handy dandy laptop. She kept my laptop safe for years, but she was crying. She was pleading, please let me go. I'm done. Like, yeah, I got this. I got it on Amazon. I'll put in the link in the description. Still sounding real addy, but I swear it's not an ad. And bitch, it come with a little laptop, a little keyboard thing. I'm so pressed. Okay, it latched. Cute, bitch. Let me put the bottom on. The bottom is just clear. She ain't nothing special. Sorry, I didn't mean nothing. Perfect. Yay! New laptop, completely unrelated to the video. Let me dust it off. Shake it off, shake it off. We're gonna take this thing. We're back to regular schedule programming. I'm sorry. I don't even know how long this video is gonna be because I ran into some complicated issues, aka it was very uncomfortable for me to film and do some of this. I don't know, but I'm gonna just show y'all the finish. Yes, so this is it on the door frame. Focus now. On the door frame, that is something I'm filming that I might post, so I'm gonna just hide the painting. But look. Excuse the mess, I got a lot going on here, but yes, it runs under and then it goes through here. Whoop. And then y'all seen the first video where it go up, it go down. The mess you see is from these LED lights. All this is trash. Now, I don't know whether I'm going to, I was gonna put them over there, but I just decided to leave that alone. But yeah, I think it looks cool. Aside from the mess that you see on my floor, it looks cool, you know? Let me turn off the light so y'all can get the full of it. And that's so, oh my gosh, it looks so cool. Bit. Yes, so like my room is like a vibe right now. You know the fucking vibes. You know the vibes. Yeah, so vibes here. All right, y'all, so I got my mother freaking thumbnail for my mother freaking video. So we're gonna have a mother freaking messy room dance party with my new mother freaking lights because that's what we can do. Y'all, it's malfunctioning. Yes, 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 yes. It's a vibe. It's a move. It's a vibe. It's a move. I feel like I live in a club. The only part is that I'm in a club with no friends. No, it's lonely. Make it lonely. I need some friends. But that's okay. One more thing. If I was lit right now, Shit will get crazy, that's all I'm gonna say.